A closed gate won't stop our adventures.
We're Kirsty and Les, and we explore the Canadian Maritime provinces with our 3 dogs.
Join us each week as we visit some of our favorite places and discover new ones along the way.
I got everything I need, but not what I wanted. 'Cause I just wanted you. And if I could, I'd leave the city too.
I'm glad 3 of us put our cleats on because it's quite the decline that we have to go down.
I should call you, see what you've been up to. I've been wondering, how far did you go in 7 months? I bet you're happy and don't think that much about me. Here I am not knowing how to move on without you, 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 you. Oh, without you, you, you.
Go easy. Easy.
Oh my God. One of the most interesting things about winter hikes is you can see the signs of all the animals around, such as these snowshoe hare tracks.
One of the downsides about taking winter hikes is when you get that crunchy layer of snow right at the top. That's where we are right now, causing us to sink like I just did. I don't know if it's any better or not, but I got to the point where there's no crusty snow, so I'm just sinking in up past my calves. And I wish I had my gaiters with me. We got our crampons, which is not really helping in this, but it's definitely a fun adventure that all 3 of us are just, we can't help but laugh. We were able to see coyote tracks, what it looked like on the way up. On the way down, we thought we saw more coyote tracks, but looking at these, they're definitely more feline-like, so I wonder if it was a bobcat or what. It's so cool seeing when the parks close, what comes out to play. We're just reaching back to the parking lot. We were hoping to get some good winter waterfall shots, but not only is the waterfall frozen over, it's completely covered with snow, so other than a few icicles, we couldn't see anything. We still had fun climbing up the trail and then coming back down the roadway here, trying not to fall through each step. And we saw some cool tracks.
After a cold winter hike, we stopped to get some warm coffee.
Thanks for coming along with us. Now we're off for our next adventure.